Welcome to tutorial 1 for the JA Titan simulation. Starting in Schoology, click on the link to JA Titan. When you click on this link, it's going to ask you to log in, and it remembers my login, so you didn't see this page here, but you're going to log in using the login I sent to you in your email, not your BBSD email. So if you do not have your login information, email me directly, and I'll be glad to get that to you. Another note that when you log in, it's helpful if you copy and paste the login information into your login screen as opposed to typing it out. Your login is case sensitive, and also there are letters and numbers mixed in as well as symbols. So for your password, for instance, make sure you have the exclamation point at the end of your password. Otherwise, you'll receive a login validation error. When you log in to the JA Titan link, you will first notice that it brings you to JA Connect, which is their learning platform where they house all of their courses. And it is possible that you could be enrolled in more than one course at once. So what you'll do on the left, you'll click on My JA Courses, and then you'll find JA Titan. So that's the one that we're looking for here. Now I have some other courses that I'm enrolled in, but we're going to go into JA Titan. And when I go here to JA Titan, it's going to open up the curriculum for me. Now for this curriculum, you'll notice along the left-hand side that there are different lessons, and that starts with Welcome to Junior Achievement all the way down. At the bottom of my screen, it says Deep Dive Research and Development, and if I scroll down, there's more units in there. So it's nice to start off with the tutorial. So tutorial Getting Ready for Business. So if I click on here, I can now see the resources that are available to me for the Ready for Business lesson. And the first resource that is in there is the facilitator on-screen presentation. If I click on this, this is the slides that go to that section. So you actually have access to the slides that I use in class and in the recordings, and they're the interactive portions of those slides as well. So if I click on this, you can see what looks like a video here on the right-hand side of my screen, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that play button. So again, these are slides. It's not a video, and they are interactive. So you'll notice along the left and the right, there are green arrows. I can go forward and backward for my slides. I could also click on the green hamburger button at the bottom and pull up and go forward or backward in my slides as well. So I've got that to you. And then notice you can scroll up and down within each of the slide. So a tip here is to use the square to make your slides show up in full screen, and then you can see the whole thing, and you can go forward and watch for any interactive pieces within the slides. So anything that's underlined or has like a little symbol, you can see interactive pieces there to help you get your definitions and whatnot. When you press escape on your keyboard, it takes you out of full screen mode and you are back to the portal screen. Now in here, there are some other student pieces in here. They are not necessarily required by me for the class. So that's where you'll want to look in Schoology and see what resources I have in there and assignments that are listed in Schoology and on the class website. The one that is required for every lesson is the post-session survey. So here I'm in that Getting Ready for Business lesson, and it shows the student post-session survey Getting Ready for Business. So when you click on this, you would click here and then click that start button, and it'll launch that survey. And that's how we get funding in order to have programs like these at Broomfield High School. So those are really important, and they're good information for us to help us continue to have these programs. So now I'm done with this Getting Ready for Business lesson. I went through all the material. I feel comfortable about it. I can close it. And then if I wanted, I can go and review the next lessons here. So this is how you access all of the materials. Now the next piece is how to access the actual game or simulation, and you do that right here, JA Titan CMS and simulation. When I click on this, it shows me there's a website link here, and when I click on that website link, and you'll go ahead and log in with your JASA login. So again, that's that same login you used to get into the portal. When you click here, you'll click on educators, students, and volunteers, and then you'll use your login credentials here. And remember, these are your login credentials that I sent to you in email. So now we're logged in to the simulation, and you can see that I've got a dashboard and games. So games will bring me up to my previous game so I can view the details for each of those. So I can see where how my team did. I can see what my results were, how I ranked, so on and so forth. The dashboard is this screen here, and I can see how I ranked against other teams, but I can also start a new game. So to start a new game, I'll hit play the game. Now, before we dive into the game, there's a couple things that you want to make sure that you take note of. And the biggest one is that you cannot start a game and exit the game and go back to where you left off. Once you leave the game, in order to continue, you have to start over. So if your computer goes to sleep and you lose that internet connection, you have to start over. So be mindful that when you go through the game, you want to do this at a time when you have the time to get through the full sitting of a game. So we're talking 20 to 30 minutes to get through from start to finish. Allot 45 minutes your first time as you get used to the buttons and where to go, but also watch the next tutorial so that you can see how that works. So remember, once you start a game, if you close out of it, you accidentally hit the X, or if your computer goes to sleep, or if you lose internet access, you will have to start the game over.